मैं आपको दोष नहीं देता हूँ। I don't blame you. I don't blame you. ज्यादा भोले मत बनो। Don't act cute. Don't act cute. मुझे सताओ मत। Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. मैं बेताब हूँ। I am desperate. I am desperate. ये टिकाऊ है। It's durable. It's durable. उनकी बुराई मत करो। Don't condemn them. Don't condemn them. वह गंवार लगता है। He looks rustic. He looks rustic. मेरा सिर खाना बंद करो। Stop nagging me. Stop nagging me. मुझे हिचकी आ रही है। I have got hiccups. I have got hiccups. मेरे होठ फट गए हैं। I have got chapped lips. I have got chapped lips. मेरा दांत हिल रहा है। I have a loose tooth. I have a loose tooth. पेट भारी सा लग रहा है। I feel bloated. I feel bloated. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ। It never occurred. It never occurred. उसे सांस तो लेने दो। Let her catch breath. Let her catch breath. मुझे उसकी आदत नहीं है। I am not used to it. I am not used to it. मेरा पेट गुदगुदा रहा है। My stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है। My voice is hoarse. My voice is hoarse. वह दल बदलू है। He is a turncoat. He is a turncoat. अपने गुस्से पर काबू रखो। Keep your hair on. Keep your hair on. इतना मत भड़को। Don't get so uptight. Don't get so uptight. मैंने तुम्हारा ठेका लिया है क्या? Am I responsible for you? Am I responsible for you? मैं अपना गुस्सा पी गई। I bottled up my anger. I bottled up my anger. भगवान जाने वह कहाँ है। God knows where he is. God knows where he is. जैसा मन में आए वैसा करो। Do it how you wish. Do it how you wish. मैं बस पर चढ़ गया। I got on the bus. I got on the bus. वह बस से उतर गया। He get off from the bus. He get off from the bus. उसे गाड़ी से धक्का लग गया। He got hit by car. He got hit by car. मुझे धमकाओ मत। Don't intimidate me. Don't intimidate me. घूर किसको रही हो? Who are you staring at? Who are you staring at? तुम्हें किस बात का डर है? What have you to fear? What have you to fear? ये सब तुम्हारा ही तो कमाल है। All this came from you. All this came from you. इससे छेड़छाड़ मत करो। Don't mess around with it. Don't mess around with it. मेरा आज मूड ठीक नहीं है। I'm feeling off today. I am feeling off today. कहीं घूमने फिरने चलते हैं। Let's hang out. Let's hang out. मैं ये करने पर मजबूर हूँ। I am bound to do this. I am bound to do this. कम से कम मेरी बात तो सुन लो। At least hear me out. At least hear me out. वो हमारे लिए ना के बराबर है। He is insignificant for us. He is insignificant for us. देवी को फूल चढ़ाओ। Offer flowers to the deity. offer flowers to the deity. अपनी मंजिल पाने की कोशिश करो. Try to reach your destination. Try to reach your destination. वह बकबक करती रहती है. She prattles on and on. She prattles on and on. मुझसे भूख बर्दाश्त नहीं होती. I cannot control my hunger. I cannot control my hunger. वह खून से लथपथ है. He was drenched with blood. He was drenched with blood. तुमने सब कुछ खाक में मिला दिया. You burnt everything to ashes. You burnt everything to ashes. जहाँ रखना है रख दो. Keep it whatever you want. Keep it whatever you want. आप मिलनसार हो. You are gregarious. You are gregarious. वह बहुत सयाना है. He is very astute. He is very astute. वह भोला भाला दिखता है. He looks like gullible. He looks like gullible. वह एक नंबर की मुंहफट है. She is very outspoken. She is very outspoken. सारे संबंध झूठे हैं. All relations are false. All relations are false. कोई अपना नहीं है. No one is ours. No one is ours. अकेले जीना सीखो. Learn to live alone. Learn to live alone. जिंदगी इतनी आसान नहीं है. Life is not that easy. Life is not that easy. आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. वो अपना सिर खुजाने लगा. He started scratching his head. He started scratching his head. मेरा आज कुछ मन नहीं है. Today I am in no mood. Today I am in no mood. तुमने मेरा जीना हराम कर दिया है. You have made my living worse. You have made my living worse. वह फिसल कर गिर गया. He slipped and fell. He slipped and fell. क्या खेल है तकदीर का. What a stroke of luck. What a stroke of luck. चुगलखोर कहीं के. You tattler. You tattler. यह घर किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. This house is to let. मैं उनमें से नहीं हूँ जो झूठ बोले. I am not the ones who lie. I am not the ones who lie. मैं समय समय पर वहाँ खरीदारी करता रहता हूँ. I shop there from time to time. I shop there from time to time. तुम सोते समय जोर जोर से खराटे लेते हो. You snore loudly while sleeping. You snore loudly while sleeping. अपना फोन बंद कर दो. Turn your phone off. Turn your phone off. अपना फोन चालू कर दो. Turn your phone on. Turn your phone on. अपना फोन एक तरफ रख दो. Keep your phone aside. Keep your phone aside. मुझे एक फोन करना है. I have to make a phone call. I have to make a phone call. मेरे पास मेरा फोन नहीं है. I have not got my phone. I have not got my phone. मैं अपना फोन नहीं लाया हूँ. I have not brought my phone. I have not brought my phone. ये नोटबुक फटी हुई है. This notebook is torn. This notebook is torn. तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you be back? When will you be back? ये मेरे किसी काम का नहीं है. It is of no use to me. It is of no use to me. तुक्का मत मारो. Don't make a wild guess. Don't make a wild guess. हर चीज की एक सीमा होती है. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. इसे मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Leave it up to me. Leave it up to me. और कौन जा रहा है वहां? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? हम तुम्हारे बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे. We were just talking about you. We were just talking about you. आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. अपनी नौटंकी बंद करो. Stop being dramatic. Stop being dramatic. वो हमेशा काम करने से कतराता है. He always seeks doing work. He always seeks doing work. रवि बहुत ज्यादा खाता है. रवि eats like a horse. रवि eats like a horse. मेरे पास फुर्सत नहीं है. I don't have leisure. I don't have leisure. उधार पर कभी भी कुछ न खरीदो. Never buy anything on credit. Never buy anything on credit. तुमने मेरी घड़ी कहाँ रखी? Where did you put my watch? Where did you put my watch? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी मुझे. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. कुछ सुना तुमने? Did you listen something? Did you listen something? उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. He has done nothing wrong. He has done nothing wrong. तुम क्या कभी थकते नहीं? Don't you ever get tired? Don't you ever get tired? यहाँ धुएं की बदबू आ रही है. It stinks of smoke here. It stinks of smoke here. याद रखना कि वह एक चोर है. Keep in mind that he is a thief. Keep in mind that he is a thief. आज तो ढेर सारा काम पड़ा है. A lot of work is piled up today. A lot of work is piled up today. खाली बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Sitting idle won't help. Sitting idle won't help. ये करना अभी बाकी है. It is yet to be done. It is yet to be done. उनका आना अभी बाकी है. They are yet to come. They are yet to come. तुम हमेशा यही कहते हो. That's what you always say. That's what you always say. तुम हमेशा यही करते हो. That's what you always do. That's what you always do. अब क्या करना है? What is to be done now? What is to be done now? उसकी नाराजगी जायज है. His anger is justified. His anger is justified. कार का शीशा नीचे कर दो. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. फिलहाल मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. As of now, I'm studying. As of now, I'm studying. तुम अब पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. You are no longer as before. You are no longer as before. मुझे मत बताओ ये सब बकवास. Don't let me know all this nonsense. Don't let me know all this nonsense. आपका बच्चा पनप नहीं रहा है. Your child is not flourishing. Your child is not flourishing. इसमें मेरा क्या फायदा है? What's in it for me? What's in it for me? तुम्हें मेरी उम्र लग जाए. May you get my age. May you get my age. मेरा पैर सुन पड़ गया था. My leg got numbed. My leg got numbed. वह अपनी ही परछाई से डरता है. He is scared of his own shadow. He is scared of his own shadow. तुम दूसरों का बहुत ख्याल रखते हो. You are very considerate. You are very considerate. ज्यादा मासूम मत बनो. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. यह तो होकर ही रहेगा. It is inevitable. It is inevitable. मैं उसके लिए पलके बिछाए बैठा हूँ. I am waiting for her eagerly. I am waiting for her eagerly. मुझे मेरा फोन ला दो. Get me my phone. Get me my phone. तमाशा मत खड़ा करो. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. तुम हमेशा उल्टा बोलते हो. You always talk back. You always talk back. वह आजकल पहुंच से बाहर है. He is out of reach nowadays. He is out of reach nowadays. हमें फौरन निकलना होगा. We have to leave instantly. We have to leave instantly. काश तुम वहां नहीं जाते. If only you wouldn't go there. If only you wouldn't go there. काश वो आपसे बात न करे. I wish he didn't talk to you. I wish he didn't talk to you. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँ या मैसेज. Should I call or message you? Should I call or message you? तुम तो रोने लगे. You started crying. You started crying. आओ और अपना हिसाब कर लो. Come and clear your accounts. Come and clear your accounts. मैं तुम्हें पैदल कर छोड़ देता हूँ. Let me walk you home. Let me walk you home. मैं तुम्हें कार से घर छोड़ देता हूँ. Let me drive you home. Let me drive you home. मैं इसे महसूस कर सकता हूँ. I can sense it. I can sense it. होश में तो हो. Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मैं अपने पूरे होश में हूँ. I am in all my senses. I am in all my senses. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. इसे विज्ञान की अच्छी समझ है. He has a good sense of science. He has a good sense of science. छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा न हो. Don't be angry over minor things. Don't be angry over minor things. वो एक नंबर का कामचोर है. He is a bloody worksite. He is a bloody worksite. बर्दाश्त की भी एक हद होती है. There is a limit to tolerance. There is a limit to tolerance. तुम यहाँ कैसे पहुंचे? How did you get there? How did you get here? मेरे बाल खराब मत करो. Don't mess my hair. Don't mess my hair. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your stuff. Pack your stuff. मेरे कहने का मतलब है. I mean to say. I mean to say. इसे वक्त पर कर लेना. Do it on time. Do it on time. यह उसी ने किया है. It is he who has done it. It is he who has done it. इतने से काम नहीं चलेगा. This much will not do work. This much will not do work. मैं एक एक को देख लूंगा. I will deal with one and all. I will deal with one and all. मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. Tears came into my eyes. Tears came into my eyes. उनकी बातों में दम है. His words do have weight. His words do have weight. मैं अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक पाया. I couldn't hold my laughter. I couldn't hold my laughter. आजकल शिकायतें बहुत आ रही है. Complaints are pouring in nowadays. Complaints are pouring in nowadays. मैंने गलती से उसका अपना दोस्त समझा. I mistook him for my friend. I mistook him for my friend. मुझे तो सांस लेने की भी फुर्सत नहीं है. I don't even have a moment to breathe. I don't even have a moment to breathe. क्या तुमने वाकई में जिंदगी जी? Did you really live the life? Did you really live the life? हम अगली बार कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? तुम में हुनर है. You have the talent. You have the talent. इस राज को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep this secret up to yourself only. Keep this secret up to yourself only.